1 minute a day. Blockchain 101. What does a mining farm look like? Mining farms are places where mining rigs are managed centrally. It's usually located in areas with relatively cheap and stable electricity. In early days, mining farms are run down, often just a few racks with mining rigs loaded on them. People start to realize that the rigs deteriorates fast and greatly increases the maintenance cost. Slowly, mining farms started to add ventilation and dust-proof solutions. In time, strict controls of indoor temperature and humidity level are implemented. Now, mining farms are constantly upgrading and optimizing their operations. Mining rigs usually generate a lot of noise. When tested at just 1 meter away, a rig generates noise at 73 decibels. Thousands of mining rigs operating generates severe noise pollution. Therefore, noise-free farms also emerged after modifications and upgrades.